What's up, guys? We are here off-road today, and it's a lot busier than last time. So we're gonna go around here real quick and warm up, and then we'll get into the action. Let's see how the extra torque and power works off-road. Alright guys, here we go. I don't remember it going this way, but we'll see. This looks familiar. Pretty good so far. Extra torque and power definitely helps with the hills and whatnot. Go around this way back to the main area. Gonna go back to the camp real quick, drop off this strap, and we'll be back to explore another trail. So there's a lot more. The torque really helps it not bog out if you're in the wrong gear. Whoa. Got a little bump there. Actually, let's go down this trail a bit. That was fun, getting a little bit of high-speed action in there. I know it doesn't look that fast on the GoPro, but it feels like I'm moving. Especially with the extra torque, and the sound on the GoPro doesn't really translate as to the RPM that I'm really at. Gotta be careful on some of these bigger rocks. They'll get you. Take a chill moment real quick while we're in the forest here. So, KLX with these mods, definitely helpful. I remember when I first came here with just a slip-on, I had to be wary of what gear I was in a lot more. And I had to keep on shifting between first and second. Couldn't really use third gear, but now it kind of just bogs along if you're in first, second, or third, which is a good thing. Alright, let's pick up the pace a little bit. So far everything seems fine in terms of the stuff I did. Alright, let's go. Should we try the trials? Nah, just kidding. I can't do that yet. I'm glad I'm getting to do some higher speed stuff, because last time it's kind of new here, but now I found some trails that are kind of higher speed. It's a good thing. Alright, now we're gonna go over behind this gate just to explore and see what's over there. What's over here? Looks like we got some open stuff. There we go. Give you guys some open riding right here. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are. It's always fun to do off-road stuff compared to just messing around in the city. Oh, okay, so we got some trails over here. You can definitely hear that kind of thunderous sound. When you gun it. Okay, speed limit's 10 now. We had our fun. So I haven't even had these mods on for but 2 days, and I've already taken it off-road. So that's good. That's a big rock, that'll mess you up. Alright, so I'd like to work on this technical stuff here, because I'd like to be able to go faster through it, but I'm not very experienced in doing such. Whoa! Back end definitely kicked up there. It's a nice area back here. Open. Alright guys, gonna head back. Kinda hard to talk a lot while doing this off-road stuff. Requires some focus, but it's also kinda hard to think of a topic to talk about. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video to those who may enjoy it. Also subscribe if you are not already. Stay tuned for more KLX action. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.